Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMate Unit, and today we're going to see how to apply shadow effect to your image or picture on your Microsoft PowerPoint on your mobile version. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So in this video, I'm just going to show how to apply a shadow effect to the image or picture on your Microsoft PowerPoint mobile. So first of all, I'm just going to insert a picture from my mobile phone, just going inside the insert option, just clicking on the pictures. Now I just imported a image from my gallery, so I just imported. Now we just need to apply the shadow effect on this image. Just place the image wherever you just need it. Now click on the picture effect. If you just click on the image, it automatically shows the picture and picture options like picture effect. Click on this picture effect and you will find an option called shadow. Click on this and now you have a outer shadow, inner shadow and perspective shadow. So which means the outer shadow, which will make a shadow. If you are zooming in, you can find the shadow effect on the sidewise, and the inner shadow will have a shadow effect inner side, and the perspective shadow will make shadows. You can see the shadow is falling on the ground, so you can just change the perspective shadow for how you just needed, like this. And also if you don't want a shadow effect, click on the no shadow effect. This is how you will apply the effect to the image. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Unique. Have a wonderful day.